do. Baby shark do. Let me just get some wood. Did you start recording? Okay. Okay, what time? What? What time? 5? Alright. My eyes hurt so bad. Why are you messed up? What the heck, dude? That's not okay. Look how low. Bro, what the hell is wrong with my building? Oh, you knocked it all the way down. Alright. I'll get some wood. I actually want to practice my double. Wait, let me practice this real quick. Wait. Ooh. Okay, those were crisp. Did you see those? Did you see those? How'd they look? Okay. Alright. Hey. 30, 35? 5? Okay. Wait. Okay. Started early, but that's okay. No, on mine it just shows that you're starting at 20. What the hell did I have to say about that? I already messed up, cause like, why not, dude? Bro, this is so amazing. Dude, this 1v1's like so already bad for me. I like blocked myself for like 5 seconds. Now please edit. Dude, please edit, bro. This is not okay. Eh. Hey, that's not mine? That's not mine? I thought that was mine, dude. I thought that was mine, though. No way. Wait, did it even hit you once? How'd you not die from that? Dang. I was so confused because like I thought that didn't hit you at first, and I was like, what the heck? It didn't hit you? Your trap's gotten so overrated lately. That was a horrible match for me though. Just respawn. Wait, what? Yeah, just go to your options and it says respawn. Just respawn so you can get all your health back. Yeah, I'm trash at editing right now, but alright. What time? Oh, yeah, I need material. Eh. See, I can't believe I messed up for like the longest amount of time I've ever messed up in a lifetime. Practice. Alright. My pings are like at 200 right now, that's why. I was so confused. My ping's at 135 right now. That's why I was kind of confused why it didn't let me edit. Yeah. Alright, what time? Yeah, what time? What? 25? Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. What time? What time? How did I miss that shotgun shot, dude? Ugh. Guys, please just edit. Why can I hit my shotgun shots? I have to play it smart. I only have 30 mats. Huh? No. I'm reloading my guns. What the hell were you, bro? I'm so tired, dude. Hmm? Nah, dude, I'm so tired. I already failed like 7 times. And then I missed all my shotgun shots, so I'm like, what the hell? That was a horrible game for me, too. Yeah. Put what on YouTube? Oh, if you want to. I mean, I'm playing horrible right now too, but okay. That was a default. I'm just so confused. What happened to all my shotgun shots? Like one even went to your head, and it hit you for like 85. Dude. I was like, what the fuck, dude? Like that was a clean 170. Like with anyone else that I 1v1, like that would probably just be a 170. That's just one thing I've learned. Don't depend on that shit gun. Sorry if I swear. That's Yeah, I just ran out of material that round too. I was trying to play it. Yeah, I tried to play that smart, but couldn't really do much at that point. What time? Okay. I didn't start early, but it just tells it. What the hell? How did I block myself? I don't know why my shit's so bad right now. Let me bail, dude. What the fuck? Hell no! How did I fall from that? No way, dude. There's just no way. What the fuck? How are you right there? Oh fuck, dude, I'm so bad right now. I don't know why I'm so bad right now, dude. I'm gonna go get a scar. I don't like this FAMAS no more. It doesn't like me. No, this FAMAS does not like me, dude. It hates me. It does no damage. It's the easiest gun to melt with, I know that, but you just need to know how you. No, just respawn. I mean, I wouldn't know. I'm not Fortnite, you know? I don't like things in the game. Yeah, I'm so horrible right now. I think I just got worse since like I haven't played in season 5 stuff at the end. Alright, you ready? It's probably just a skin too. I'm not good with this skin at all. Like, I mean, if you want to leave this game and I could just put my elite agent on, I could just try and go better, do better, I guess. Yeah, maybe, I don't know. I just don't like this skin too much, you know? But let's still 1v1. $55? Okay. Ugh, I'm so bad right now. I'm dog shit. What the hell? How did I not box you in there? Halfway. You can still build up. Damn, I'm so dog shit right now. How did that not let me build? Ah, you better stop! Oh my, now I fell halfway. It's fucking amazing. Shoot. Oh, we're max height. How does that not hit you, bro? So one time, I hit you for 7 with the pump.